the red seats and everything. Ain't got the panoramic view, but it's still nice. What's good, Grizzly Squad? It's your boy Grizzly, man. I'm back with another daggone video, y'all. Y'all see me, I got my big jacket on and my hat. It's freezing out here. Don't look like it, but yeah, it snowed last night and everything. You probably see some of the water and stuff in my car. But today, I'm about to go ship out the stickers, man. I still have a few stickers left. I think I have 4 of blue. I have actually 1 of red, and nobody bought the greens. So if anybody want any greens, I still have 5 greens left. 1 yellow and what is it? 1 orange. So yeah, they are about to go ship them out right now, and get done with that. But y'all, if y'all are new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like, comment down below on the videos, man. Go from the beginning from when I bought the car until what it was the 2019 Chrysler 300 V8. You know, you don't really get the V8s that much, but what happens is a lot of people, they text me, they email me, or they DM me and like, hey, where do you find the V8s? What you got to do is you just have to find like you have to be specific in your search. So just go ahead and do that. But without further ado, y'all, this is what I do to my channel. If y'all new to my channel, I always start out with a cold start. Well, usually I do. So here we go. Yes, sir. That's Black Beauty right there. Black Beauty is her name, you know. So that's my 300. I got so many miles that I'm about to do to this thing. So y'all see the front, man. I got the SRT grill on that jank. About to do a POV or whatever, you know. Just about to have a chill day, but I'm about to go mail these things off, get that done. Ugh. I'm gonna move my other car into this parking spot so I can still have it when I come back. Yo, so I'm at the post office. Yeah, I took my seatbelt off. All right, y'all gotta hear that on. But I'm at the post office now. I'm about to mail out these stickers, man. Shout out to everybody that got one, man. From Texas to Indianapolis, to Minnesota. Let me see, North Carolina. Well, I already said Texas, Minnesota, Maryland. Got people in Maryland. Indianapolis. Okay. So yeah, shout out to everybody that got one, man. I really appreciate y'all. Hey, y'all true Grizzly gang and 300 gang, man. Y'all get both. So let me show y'all right now. Boom, got the stamp. So everything about to get shipped. Can't show y'all the addresses that, you know, everybody. So oh yeah, also when you get the stickers, y'all, make sure that you hold on 1 second. All right, so moment of truth, y'all. Look. Not playing with y'all. I'm a man of my word. That's what I do, okay? Yeah, so the stickers are $10 for those that want to know. I still have a few available. Go ahead and DM me, man. My DM is, on my IG. My IG is Grizzly_Marty. So yeah, go ahead and do that. And like I was saying, when you get the stickers, for the ones that got them, make sure you hashtag Grizzly Marty on that J, or definitely you know, put my name on it, man, or Grizzly Gang with my IG on there, man. Make sure you post that on that J, and I'm definitely gonna repost it for the ones that got the stickers, man. Ooh, that's real cool. I really appreciate y'all, man. Y'all don't know how much of a blessing. And I did everything myself. I handwritten it and all that stuff. Got the stats, you know. That's my own money, you know, my YouTube money. But I make sure I invest in it with you guys, you know. Try to give y'all something to grow this gang up, man. Oh, the parking enforce people, they mad. But I'm about to do a little POV. I got a few things I gotta pick up. I need to get some antifreeze for, well, coolant. I don't know if it's antifreeze or coolant. I think it's coolant. I think it's coolant. My coolant is low on my 300. I haven't added any coolant since I bought the car, but changed the oil, of course, and get the regular maintenance, you know, like it's supposed to. You know, they check you, make sure your stuff is balanced, make sure all your lugs is good, make sure your ball joints is good, axles and all that stuff not leaking. So everything is good, man. The 300 is an amazing car. I can't ask for a better car, man. This thing is super crazy. So now I'm about to head to Chrysler with a Mopar. Oh, 300. That's a nice joint too. And he got an SRT8. He got an older SRT8 joint. So I'm about to head to Dodge to get some coolant. I think it's the pink one. Hey, comment down below if y'all know what coolant is. I'll show y'all when I pull up. I'm gonna see how much it costs too. Hopefully it ain't an arm and a leg. But I want the coolant from Mopar, man. I don't want no other coolant because I don't know what to put in it. I'm gonna put the regular coolant in there. Got the POV on. So I'm just gonna talk to y'all, man. Yeah, shout out to everybody. Oh, he trying to race. Oh shoot, I can't be doing that. The ground jacked up in this cool. No way, Jose. So yeah, like I said, I'm about to go ahead to Dodge, Chrysler, Jeep, whatever, the joint on 301 in Maryland. So what I gotta do now is I gotta go get some coolant. I don't know, just cause I have a V8, I don't know if the coolant get low and stuff like that, but it seems like the coolant, it doesn't. Well, I had this car where it got 25,000 miles on it, so I think it's just time to add some coolant. That's what I'm about to go do now. Add some gas to her too, cause she's at a little bit below half a tank. I try to fill her up when it's quarter tank, but I got paid today, so I'm gonna go ahead and fill her up. So we are rolling up at Oarsman. Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram. Look at that. Ooh, Mopars. Alright, I know. Gotta get the part. I had to look at this, y'all. Look at this joint. This is crazy. So you get all that. Wow. This joint is fire. The Jeep Gladiator. I know my boy Stratman, he about to put the 6x6 joint on there. This is super crazy. I love this thing. Alright, I gotta sit in it just to see. Oh, somebody's short because I can't even get in it. But it's like it's kind of like in the size of my Mazda in the inside, but like more roof, more headroom. I'm saying this thing is nice though. Let me see. I'm gonna sit in it just to see. I think it's alright. Ain't that bad. I only got 44,000 miles on it. I'm sorry, not 44 miles on that check. But it feel good. You sitting up high. Yeah, this is something I could get. What y'all see me in this? Y'all see me in the Gladiator? I see myself in this. I'm just so compact. I think I'm getting too old for the compact type cars. Alright, so let me go ahead and get this coolant for my car. I don't even think they had the retail thing. Let me see. You hit the bed, blah, blah, blah. Alright, somebody should be coming, so. Mopar, no car. Alright, y'all, I don't know what's going on, but the guy just told me that my coolant should be purple and not pink. I'm gonna show y'all what it is in a few. Alright, you see my Denver Bronco hat? But he said my coolant is supposed to be purple for the V8. I don't know, does that make a difference? Comment down below if that makes a difference. If my coolant should be pink or purple. Is it the same thing? Does the same performance? Have I messed up my 300? Cause I got it from North Carolina from the dealer, and it's the same coolant that hasn't been changed. Oh man, they try to get me, man. They said he said he'd give me all the money for my Chrysler 200 for this. It's not worth it. My payments better be the same. If you can't get my payments the same, I'm not working with it. Let me see. Let me check it out. Oh, we got the red guts too. This ain't would be nice. I ain't lying. Yeah, I know I love the Chargers, and I'll be wide body, man. How I look in it, y'all. How I look in it, yeah, with the red seats and everything. Ain't got the panoramic view, but it's still nice. The seat's still bolstered up, you know. everything in this joint. I don't know, it's shit. I should be getting a wide body one day, y'all. How y'all like it? It's pretty cool. Oh yeah, that joint was like $18. Got the big old bodies on that joint. Hey, hit me muscle, man. I might be getting out. What you think, man? Y'all comment down below. Let me know. Should I be getting this or should I be just stick with my 300? Hey man, they drove this joint out in the snow, man. What they doing bringing this journey here? They need to clean it up. It's cool though. It's black, you know, I like black. This would be Black Beauty 2.0. Little tall guy. He be like 2.0. And that just small. So I got the 4.5 inch tips. But it looks like it's fully loaded. Got the wide body, of course. SRT 392. We got the SRT with the bimbos on it. That's not bad. I don't know, should that be an option, y'all? Should I trade in my my Chrysler for this? What y'all think? I don't know. It could be. Let me see. Dude trying to race. Let's see. Let me see. Oh, the Audi wants some. The Audi wants some smoke. Dude, the Audi wants some smoke. Bro, you don't want that cut. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, Audi. Come on, man. Nah, he was trying to race. Nah, nigga. You know you put that smoke. All right, look. All right, so we gonna stop right here. All right, let's see if he's gonna try to get me off the line. Let's see. Oh, he go. He got the whole job. It wasn't that. Come on, V8, nigga. He tried to run. Hey, come on, man. You tried, my man. You cool though. I was about to pass you like a mug. Man, I ran you down. Ran him down. Ran him down like a linebacker trying to catch a running back. Yes, sir. Hey, man. Y'all, I don't know what I should do, man. That was a good offer that the dude gave me. He told me that he would give me all the money for my 300 for that Dodge Charger, the wide body thing. That thing was fully loaded too. You saw that thing, man. Oh my goodness. Y'all know I like Dodge. I love 300, don't get me wrong, y'all, but oh my goodness, that Dodge Charger is calling me. What should I do? Comment down below and let me know what should I do. Should I stick with the 300 and 300 gang? Because y'all have been faithful for me and y'all just been rocking with your boy heavily, man. Or should I just go ahead to the Dodge Charger? Because if I get the Dodge Charger, I know it's gonna be crazy. Oh, I forgot I got it in thing. I got it in race mode. See, I'm about to break my neck. Like I said, the daggone roll pedal is the truth. But y'all, should I go ahead and get that Dodge Charger? He said he will bring it down to 50,000. Oh, I can do it. Ooh, I can do it. I can do it. I can do it. I can make it work, man. Trust me, I can do 50,000. That's actually my price range. But I went below my price range, so I saved money with my 300. But 50,000 was actually my price range, and when I was looking for a car. Should I get it, y'all? I don't know. It's calling me. But I don't know if I can do that right now. I got a lot of things coming up. Y'all will see actually next week what's gonna be happening. I got a big surprise for you guys. It's gonna be epic. So peace, y'all. Thank y'all for watching your boy Grizzly Marty, man. Keep on subscribing to the channel, man, because I'm coming out with these bangers every single goddamn day for you guys. Alright? Trust and believe I got videos back to back and back. Alright, just go back from when I was started my my YouTube journey with this 300 what, a few months ago. I think it's 9 months ago or something like that. Maybe 9 to 10 months ago. But it's not a year yet. Almost a year since I did this. And I have a crazy Grizzly gang, and I have a crazy 300 gang squad, man. Shout out to y'all, man. Shout out to everybody that got the stickers. Shout out to everybody that's rocking with your boy. Shout out to everybody that's watching the video without skipping the ads. I appreciate every single one of y'all. Peace. I'll see you on the next video.